Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these slimes. So here's like
a YMCA facility.
I'm going to show you how like there's this one.
And just minutes ago, Craig Alexandria police had just tweeted out that the suspect is in custody.
I'm going to show you how to make those slimes with just soft soap.
They are currently questioning him.
The reason I'm using clear one, the clear soft soap,
he is in police custody.
It's clear. The reason why it's these colors because I have food coloring. It's optional. The food coloring is optional. So yeah. So what you need is something to put your soft soap in, and then something to mix it, and your soft soap. So you pour a piece of soap in your soft soap in. I've been did that already, and then mix it until your soft soap mix your soap until it turns white. It's going to turn white. So yeah. You guys are just facing up. That's all. Sorry for the noise in the background. That's just my TV. And if you hear more noise like mixing, that's me mixing the soap. It's starting to turn white. Alright, so now the soap is white. I'm going to add a little bit more soap because it doesn't look like this is going to be enough slime. So I'm going to show you on the camera. Again, so I'll be right back because I'm going to restart it. Till this turns white.
We don't believe they were on the field, but some of the members locally, some names that you might know are Joe Crowley, Hakeem Jeffries, Chris Murphy of Connecticut, Bill Pasquale of New Jersey, and Tom Suozzi. Some of them also sending out tweets this morning expressing shock and outrage and condolences to everyone who had to.
Now I'm done mixing, so it's white. I'm not going to add food coloring for this one. I'm just going to keep it white.
A lot of great information there. Some of the video that on the screen, I know you can't see it, but it is a medevac.
If you touch it, it's just going to be watery. That's all. You can see I just touched it. It's just a little bubble and it's watery.
That's happened at 7:15 this morning. We can tell you that we do have an
You're going to have to let this sit out for a whole day. When I come, today's a school day, so when I come back from school today, I'm going to show you. I'll come back like in the middle of the day. So when I come back, I'm going to show you how this is.
The security detail actually did exchange gunfire.
I'm going to turn the video off right now, though.
We believe the gunman is in custody. Of course, we're still
actually, I think I'm going to add food coloring. And hold on, I'm just adding food coloring right now.
So the investigation, of course, is continuing.
Ooh, green.
They are very busy. As soon as they can release more information to the media, they will on this ongoing situation.
Okay, sure, now I'm gonna go put this in the freezer, so I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back with this out of the freezer.
Is that right, Veronica?
Okay,
let's hear it.
And yeah.
The shooter starts circling around third base.
Ooh, okay, it came all together. Oh, look at this, guys. Wow. Oh, Jesus. Oh, you want to start mixing it because it's going to be pretty sticky. It's all over my hands. Wow. It's going to be pretty sticky. Ugh. Keep mixing it really good.
At which point, once we got the all clear,
I'll be right back when this is all mixed really good. Okay, guys, I'm back, and this is all mixed really good. As you can see, I made another green one.
Giving him some liquids.
Really cool.
I put pressure on his wound in his
Here's the container.
And Brad Winstrup, Cincinnati. Fortunately, that he started doing what you need to do to try to minimize the blood loss.
Green.
Shortly thereafter, more the police showed up. Again, it seemed like forever, but it probably
Added glitter in it
shorter
if
than
you
what
didn't
it
know
seemed.
that. But yeah, I forgot to tell you that.
The
Added
helicopter
glitter
landed in center field
in it.
and
Oh, it really
took
sticks to
away
your nail.
whomever the folks decided was the most wounded, most critical. I don't know who that person was. At that time, the police were causing all of us to gather
Here
outside the
is
first base line in the chain link
Bye,
fence and
guys.
cording off the
Comment down
area.
below, subscribe, please.
Help assure that
Bye.
if there was a second shooter, that we would be better protected.